Imagine trying to speak English without action words or descriptions. How would you say, I eat food, or the sky is blue? That's where verbs and adjectives come in. They bring sentences to life and make communication possible. Welcome to the Grammar Doctor, where we make English grammar easy. In today's lesson, we'll cover two powerful parts of speech, verbs and adjectives. By the end, you'll know how to use them correctly, and we'll have a fun quiz to test your skills, so stay till the end. A verb is an action word. It tells us what someone or something does, is, or feels. Some examples of verbs include action verbs like run, eat, write, dance, and jump. State of being verbs like is, am, are, was, and were. And feeling verbs like love, hate, enjoy, and believe. For example, in the sentence she writes a story, the word writes is an action verb. There are different types of verbs. Action verbs show an action such as run, swim, read, and sing, e.g., he runs fast. Linking verbs connect the subject to a description such as is, am, are, was, and were, e.g., she is happy. Where is connects she and happy. Helping verbs, auxiliary verbs, help the main verb and include words like is, am, are, has, have, will, can, and should, e.g., she is reading a book, where is helps reading. Modal verbs express ability, permission, or necessity, such as can, must, should, might, and may, e.g., you should study for the test. Verbs also change based on time, forming different tenses. Past tense describes something that happened before, like, she studied English yesterday. Present tense describes something happening now, like, she studies English every day. Future tense describes something that will happen, like, she will study English tomorrow. Verbs help us express time and action correctly. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. It tells us more about a person, place, or thing. Some examples include beautiful, tall, small, happy, blue, and fast. In the sentence, the blue sky is beautiful, the words blue and beautiful describe the sky. Adjectives are also divided into different types. Descriptive adjectives describe a noun's quality, such as, she has long hair. Quantitative adjectives show quantity or number, such as, I have 2 books. Demonstrative adjectives point to specific things, using words like this, that, these, and those, e.g., I like this dress, but not that one. Possessive adjectives show ownership, using words like my, your, his, her, our, and their, e.g., this is my car. Adjectives also help in making comparisons. Comparative adjectives compare two things, like bigger, faster, and taller, e.g., this book is better than that one. While superlative adjectives compare more than two things, like biggest, fastest, and tallest, e.g., this is the best book I've read. Verbs and adjectives work together to create clear and expressive sentences. Verbs show action, while adjectives describe the subject. For example, in the happy girl runs quickly, the adjective happy describes the girl, and the verb runs shows the action. Similarly, in he drives a fast car, the adjective fast describes the car, and the verb drives tells us what is happening. Now it's time for a quick quiz. Answer in the comments below. Which word is a verb? A. Beautiful. B. Runs. C. Happy. Fill in the blank. The dog is very bezumbreux. A. Jump. B. Small. C. Eat. What is the past tense of write? A. Writes. B. Wrote. C. Writing. Comment your answers below and I'll reply to let you know if you're right. Great job today. Now you know the power of verbs and adjectives, how they bring sentences to life. Keep practicing and soon you'll be speaking English with confidence. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more grammar lessons on The Grammar Doctor. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye for now.